Exchanging the warm-colored halogen high beam light bulbs with cool, colored 6000 Kelvin LEDs on a 2018 Honda Accord starts by opening the driver's door and pulling the hood release towards you. Locate and push the hood release lever to the left, which is midline on the vehicle above the Honda emblem, and lift the hood. Free the hood prop from its receiver and swing it into the passenger side receiver in the hood. Access to the high beam LEDs are in the areas shown here. Starting with the driver's side headlight, which is the easiest to remove, push upwards on the end of the connector and depress the latch to release the connector from the light bulb. Twist the light towards the driver's side tire and pull it out, making sure to clear the 3 locking notches. Push the new light into the receiver, aligning the locking nut on the light with the 3 notches on the light's receiver shown previously. Turn the light towards the passenger side to lock it in place. Take note of the locking tab on the light's connector. Line up the locking tab on the light's connector with the power cable from the car and push the two together until they click to confirm a solid connection. Tuck the light's power cable in the recess of the engine bay. Here's a quick look at the difference in the halogen high beam light warmth to the left and the cooler hue of light from the new LED on the right. On the passenger side of the vehicle, uncouple the coolant overflow hose from the windshield fluid fill neck and the clip on the front bumper. Carefully pry the innermost piece of the snap-in retainer rivet, lifting on all sides. Pull upward on the rivet to remove. Grab and pull the washer fluid fill neck to remove it from the engine bay. On the coolant overflow reservoir, there is a catch that will require you to push the reservoir towards the passenger side and pull up in a rocking motion to remove. Here's a clear look at that catch. Make sure there is not excessive fluid within the reservoir and store it on the front of the vehicle. With the passenger high beam light now accessible, depress the clip latch and push upwards to remove, just like the driver's side. Twist the light towards the driver's side of the vehicle and pull out to remove it from the light assembly. Insert the new light minding the 3 notches I described on the driver's side, and using the lights I linked below, twist until the light stops turning. When locking the light into place, the LEDs will be oriented horizontally within the light assembly for optimal light projection on the roadway, as shown here. Line up the locking tab on the light's connector with the power cable from the car and push the two together until they click to confirm a solid connection. Tuck the light power cable in the recess of the engine bay. Test that both new high beam light bulbs illuminate prior to reassembling the passenger side fluid related components we removed earlier. Take note of the notch on the coolant overflow reservoir and slide it back into place until the metal catch secures it. Slide the windshield fluid fill neck into the receiver below. Return the snap-in retainer rivet and push on the center to lock it into place. Return the coolant overflow hose into the clip on the windshield fluid fill neck and the clip on the front bumper. Return the hood prop from its hood receiver and swing it into the receiver near the bumper. Close and secure the hood. Here's a non-scientific look at the low and high beam lighting from the halogen setup and the low and high beam lighting on the LEDs I've just installed. Overall, I'm pleased with the results, and I've confirmed that the light projection appears to have improved. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and please consider supporting my channel with a YouTube thanks or a PayPal donation in the links below.